many 240s are there right now?
Huh?
How many 240s are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 240s.
Yep, right here. Now you guys know. I'm trying to do it before and after. You guys want to see this? Let's check this out. We'll do that one. And not too shabby. My borders are off.
Caught in the act of B-roll.
Show me how you do it, pro guy.
I don't know anymore. What I try to do, Coda, is so you're going like this, right? So of course it's gonna come out of frame. Like, see the mirror is gonna come out of frame, right? So I turn while I'm. So you go like that, but at the same time you're turning. They gotta use those legs. Yeah, like that. Get some. What are we eating here?
Ramen.
Yep, taking her car. First time. Oh snap! What?
No, you're driving.
That's not good YouTube content.
Here, let me make sure they're open.
Why are you taking the left?
I got no time, bro, in my life. I got no time, bro, in my life. I got nothing but time. I gotta do it, man.
I'm gonna go eat out. It's gonna
While I'm ordering, yeah. I just need 5 more minutes.
Sure, if we order, it's gonna take a while.
I just need to add a few more clips and I can drop it. Render.
Coda's all about that YouTube life.
While I eat ramen, I'll be editing.
Coda's more dedicated than me and Josh are.
Boy, I got no time. One man team.
Coda's filming and editing, so it's much harder than mine and Josh's workflow.
Do working and filming and editing. Oh wow.
Are they open? Yes.
開いてた？嘘、ありえない。
Guys, they're speaking Japanese already. We're not even on the way and they're already speaking Japanese.
ねえ、やだ。めっちゃ緊張する。
日本語わかりません。
日本語わかりません。
Dude, Jordan, we need to start speaking daily.
リアちゃんの3、4でラーメンを食べに行きます。
あー、やばい。大丈夫かな？
Headlights on.
Josh, we're only speaking Nihongo because we're going to get ramen.
Headlight off.
オフ？なんで？
ハイビーム。
ハイビームついてるよ。
あー、ついてるよってこと？
大丈夫。エコン。
なんで窓開かないの？
Because it's unlocked.
お
There, go ahead.
日本語。
Wait, do you know where it is, babe?
I don't even know where
行くぞ
we're going.
Like I
Wait, where
push,
do you guys
like
wanna
lift
go?
up and then go down.
Hey, what do you guys feel like eating?
Ramen.
We're going
Ramen.
to get ramen.
Okay, okay.
何食べ
Actually, don't.
何食べた
You
好
and Josh don't like
嫌い
ラーメン好きじゃない。
きじゃないじゃないよ。
Do you wanna go ramen anyways? 好きじゃないじゃないよ。好きじゃないじゃんだって。
日本語ペラペラです。
ペラペラ。You wanna go here?
Let's go. 行ってきます。
Here, look. Ready?
Stato!
I don't want to be responsible for like poor
all
people's lives.
Japanese. Headlight.
Oh,
Why do people wear masks when they're by themselves outside? It's freaking ridiculous.
They're saving Earth from the coronavirus.
From their freaking breath.
上手だね。
上手じゃないよ。
ちょっと上手。
直樹スタイルだね。
直樹スタイル。
ポジション直樹スタイル。
バンバンバンバンバンバンバンバンバン。
点つけ点々。
点つけ点々。シフト。4 deep into 34. Time. Sugi? Sugi? Is that it?
X.
Oh. How do you say left?
左。
Midari? Hidari?
次のライトで左。
ここでいい？
Hi, Dorito.
I wish. Yeah, this car is hard to drive.
Okay.
Hey babe, I don't know if I like that. That makes me really nervous.
Alright, let me just zoom in.
Look at Coda
Hi.
editing right here.
Go.
I got enough footage to go to editing.
Oh god. Dang, that was sick. You're freaking sick, dude. You gotta learn how to snake in front of people for when you go to car meets. Straight. So you stay on the left side, like you go in the opposite lane, and you stink right. Okay, go.
Are you kidding me?
Nope,
Why
I'm
are you
serious.
making me do this right now?
Because people are watching you. You're on.
No pressure.
No pressure. Good.
Freaking pro.
Dang, guys. Oh my
Just
gosh.
3 guys in a car with a chick driving.
It's sick. This is a girl's car.
Sick for you.
Speed bump on 9. Speed bump.
Speed
bump.
日本にないそんなの。
Oh, that's right.
What? Japan doesn't have
Dang,
speed
no wonder those
bumps.
fools freaking lay frame.
That's why their cars are so nice. Okay, I'm gonna park over there.
Hi.
よろしくお願いします。
よろしくお願いします
Okay, yeah, they are open.
No dining, fool.
No, it is. It's like
Yeah, that's why all their chairs are up. Go straight real fast.
I can't.
Yes.
No,
Wait.
I'm gonna hit.
No, you.
No?
You're like
No.
5 feet away.
I'll freaking drift through this spot right here.
Look at them.
Chidori.
Dragon Ball.
Hi.
Good?
Yep.
Ah! 間に合わなかった。
綺麗. So綺麗. Turn your lights on really quick so we can do a little bit of that B-roll. Yeah, this side's too bright.
Ooh, that B-roll.
I get scared of that thing.
Dude, it's like a gun. Oh no, you're not safe, bro.
Running hot, man. We got goods. We got the goodies. So hopefully this year you guys will be seeing a lot more stuff from Nissan Parts. I'll be working with them. They sent me some goodies. Excited to show you guys what we got to hook up the new 1J240. Brand new Cokie tails. Got the center garnish. So I've got an @EOT, or it's just gonna be EOUGHT in all caps. Promo code that you guys can go use. Nissan Parts. Get you all your OEM Nissan stuff. I believe it's a 10% discount is what they're offering. Go check them out. They have Instagram. We'll tag their Instagrams and we'll link their website in the description. RPS 13. Give me a hand, Coda. This is the last piece of the puzzle.